Hello everyone, my name is Max Stu and I'm a junior from Canada. I'm an aspiring innovator and entrepreneur.
I've always been fascinated about technology and its potential for problem solving. Last year, I innovated the first indoor pre-hospital rescue drone to help save cardiac arrest patients. I love innovating, from idea to product, managing time, people, and money to overcome design and build challenges. I prototyped and proudly represented Team Canada at ISEF. Now it is patent pending, and my next step is to bring it to market as a product. My other innovation projects with teams include a bass-playing robot, a machine learning algorithm to analyze lung x-ray images, as well as I built 12 robots in 8 years as captain. My entrepreneurial mindset was sharpened at LaunchX. I tackled the startup's growth issue by developing a Geo Insights app and led a business pitch. After helping my mom create an online business profile during COVID-19, I founded Youth Digital Talent, a nonprofit tech startup. We provide digital skills workshops for youth and create digital solutions for nonprofits and small businesses. Our unique business framework allowed us to win the National Innovation Regional Award. I led a team of 10 with 3 international branches, trained 387 students, delivered 3 impactful digital solutions, and we raised over $22,500 and got significant national awards. I am a national level marksman, doing my best to make an impact.
At M&TSI, I hope to learn more technical and business skills to connect with academic experts and future business partners. This is Max Stu, and I will see you this summer at M&TSI.